Cave Shake, Keto Meal Replacement and Dessert plus MCTs, Organic. We invented Cave Shakes because we needed them. When we started a nutritional keto diet, we were required to eat tons of good fats and keep our carb count low. We were feeling great, losing weight rapidly, but still felt like we needed a dessert that wouldn't throw us off our game. Cave Shakes were born. Creamy and delicious, these tubular treats quickly became our dessert for every meal and our go-to meal replacement. Cave Shakes are loaded with MCTs and amazing macros to power you through your day. They are keto, paleo, vegan, low-carb, gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, and use no more than 6 ingredients. Stay in ketosis with this delicious ready-to-drink shake loaded with MCTs. Loaded with MCTs, brain health, boost athletic endurance, pre-workout, post-workout, no sugar added ever, burn fat for fuel, highest quality all organic ingredients, great for travel. Shop now. Click the link in the description below.